What's going on, men? Manly man. Today, I want to talk about something. It's been on my mind for a while. And today we're going to be busting out the sketchpad. And we're going to be talking about the crucial information that is. In my last video, or my second to last video, I covered why women are actually aliens. Proving it, right? So, I know this is a lot to digest, but if you think about it, if women are aliens and women catch that, then what happens? Then why are they catching it? Because they're aliens, and aliens, everybody knows aliens can't catch any disease. So my explanation is, why do us mans, let that focus for a second, why do us men have to wear a mask if women are aliens and women catch coronavirus? Everybody's seen it. Then who made the coronavirus? And I have a theory. No, everybody knows about who, what birds are, right? And everybody's heard about how birds are, you know, spying on us by the government. So, but that's wrong, actually. So birds aren't spying on us by the government. But what is happening here is that birds are actually CIA operatives. Now, you always thought that the CIA stood for yeah. I don't know what the CIA stands for. No one knows what the CIA stands for, guys. Man. And so, what I'm thinking is it stands for co-op investigate animal. Now you might be reading that and say, co-op investigate animal. That's stupid. You're stupid. That doesn't make any sense. It does. Let me break it down. Co-op. Now you never seen one CIA agent. There's always the big one, and then you got the one that's just in the back, like, yeah, we're gonna get you, man. There's always two of them. Oh, every time. So, co-op. We can check that off the list. Investigate. Now, this is the part where I think a lot of people get confused, because I'm saying, oh, but I thought you were saying that birds are the CIA, right? But they're investigate. I don't understand. If they're birds? What are they investigating, guys? They're investigating aliens. Because you never seen a female bird. You never have seen, and no one's ever seen that before. So they wouldn't know. And they're investigating aliens. And they're also investigating us. Because it turns out birds are aliens. They're a rival species of aliens. And I'll prove it to you. You ever seen any other animal besides a bug that can fly, that isn't a bird or a bug? No, you haven't. That's why birds are aliens. And they're a rival species who can fly. And they made bugs. And they brought bugs to the world. And then and then the bugs, don't even get me started about the bugs. The bugs started rising up and they started saying, "We love the humans, we'll never hurt them." And then the birds retaliated because those are the only two things that can fly. So they started eating bugs, eating their own family. So the birds got into the CIA because they're aliens, and then they took it over secretly. And then they started, investigating the rival species of aliens so that it can take them down. Now, where is all this leading to? Well, here's the story. Birds infiltrate the CIA. Bugs are trying to stop them because bugs are our friends. So bugs are trying to help us. So how do they do that? Well, they think, what if we give these birds these diseases? And so they made COVID-19. Now, you never know what COVID-19 stands for. What actually stands for, Bugs Want to Help People organization 1,900 million times. That's what it stands for, guys. And so, now, they gave it to the birds. And then the birds knew that they had it because they were investigating the bugs, because that's where the investigative part comes in. So they were investigating the bugs, so they knew that they were giving us a virus. So they turned it around and threw it onto the women. They just threw it on there. Just bam. Alien women, by the way. And then the women were like, "Oh, this is not acceptable. What are we gonna do?" Well, I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna give COVID-19 to men. So, at the root of this problem, birds. But there's also women. And then bugs. Bugs are good. Women, bad. Birds, bad. And I don't know why the government isn't stopping the birds. I think it's because they can fly. And you never seen... You see when all those alien abductions happen? No, women are too smart for that. So I figured, who would do that? Birds! Birds would! They can fly! That's why you always see them flying. And they're hiding inside these spaceships that they got from the previous CIA because the women's came in. And so it's all a big conspiracy, guys. Don't trust anyone, especially not women or birds. And if there's one person we can trust in this world, it's bugs. Because bugs are good. Amen. Gamers, not gamers, men. You can be a gamer and a man, but preferably peace.